Good afternoon. I am Sajina Paida. Today I am going to give an oral presentation on innate immune response towards burn. At first, innate immunity refers to non-specific defense mechanisms that come into play immediately or within hours of an antigen's appearance in the body. The innate immune response consists of physical, chemical, and cellular defense against pathogens. The innate immune response is triggered or activated by the presence of antigens and their chemical properties. One of them is bonds. Bond produces changes in the pattern of the immune response of the patients, both represented by stimulating the production of genes related to innate immune response and suppression of genes related to adaptive immune response. Bonds damage the skin's protective barrier, meaning bacteria and other foreign invaders can sneak in too. The symptoms of a burn includes blisters, pain. The degree of pain is not related to the severity of the burn, as the most serious burns can be painless. Redness of burn, peeling skin, swelling, white or charred skin, a shock that includes pale and clammy skin, weakness, bluish lips and fingernails, and a drop in alertness. Uh, the systematic the systemic inflammatory response following burn injury encompasses the release of pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory cytokines that modulate the innate and adaptive arms of the immune system, in which neutrophils are an important part of the innate immune response as they migrate to the site of inflammation or infection and act as an early defense mechanism. Following burn injury, neutrophils display reduced chemotaxis, phagocytosis, and generation of reactive oxygen species, and thus it reduces innate immune function. Monocytes. Circulating monocytes play a central role in the innate immune systems of patients with burn injury. Their key functions include cytokine production, phagocytes, and antigen presentation. Recruitment and activation of macrophages are pivotal to recovery, local infection control, and tissue generation within the burn wound. Natural killer cell. Natural killer cells are the subpopulation of innate immune cells derived from the lymphoid progenitor cell line. They represent on the first line of defense against neoplastic cells and infectious insults, particularly viral, due to their ability to kill without histocompatibility complex recognition. Following burn injury, there is often no reduction in the number of natural killer cells, but there can be a decrease in natural killer cell function. Severe injury includes burn promotes an imbalance of innate and adaptive immune responses, resulting in compromised host defenses and increased susceptibility to infection. Following burn injury, the innate immune cells acquire an exacerbated toll-like receptors reactivity that has been attributed to systemic inflammatory response syndrome. Dendritic cells, um, which sense pathogens by their toll-like receptors, play a vital role in protecting the host against infection. The main purpose of the innate immune response is to immediately prevent the spread and the movement of foreign pathogens throughout the body. The innate immune systems is essentially made up of barriers that aims to keep viruses, bacteria, parasites, and other foreign particles out of the body or limit their ability to spread and move throughout the body. Thank you.